Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel as I continue on my series of tips and strategies of online marketing, as I've been amassed a lot of variety of tips and strategies this past 2 years. Now, since you may be new to my channel, I tell you what, I'll give you a quick skinny of why I decided to be part of the online marketing world as a digital marketer as well as an entrepreneur. Now, I'm 60 years old. I'm from the west coast of Canada, British Columbia, Canada, New Westminster to be a fact, like I shared. And I've actually been doing this, like I said before, for about 2 years. But before that, I amassed a variety of different jobs, basically from the college of life, where I did a variety of different things. Basically, I was in the sheet metal. I was a sheet metal worker for a lot of years. I worked at Orange Julius. I did McDonald's. I worked at a department store, a jewelry store. I was also in a gift shop. Always busy, working steady, making an income from my husband, who was also a sheet metal worker, so he was working steady. So that was my life. A variety of years ago, I guess you'd say I started to fall in love with something, and that was direct marketing. I loved it, right? And so I worked in an office with my sister Vicky West in Vancouver, and I really enjoyed this work. I went, whoa, that's what I want to do. So I started to enjoy it. I did it for a few years with my sister. Sadly, of course, the office closed, but I got a taste of how I liked the idea of working online and doing direct marketing. So fast forward to a couple years ago, because I was still struggling working at doing a variety of things and still not making a proper income, I decided to sell about $3,500 worth of jewelry, get myself started, work online, because you don't want to know why, because I know that's where it is. Working online is where it is, my lovely friends. Yes. And I thought I could probably start working online, making an income, doing the laptop lifestyle, setting my own hours, dealing with my health at home. And my husband and I were together. He was working, and I'll be working as well, and we'll start making income into our retirement years, because I thought I could probably work until I retire. It's the perfect setting. It's good for me. Plus, I love connecting with people, being online, and doing that. So I started that. I sold the $3,500 worth of jewelry, and I got started. It's been a couple of years now. I lost a lot of money. I earned a little bit, and until a few months ago, I was struggling, and I started to realize I had to find something better, and I did. Something better came my way. So, and that being said, I have a question to ask you. What do you think would be the 3 main issues you may encounter when you start to work online? I have 3 that I have encountered, and I think a few of my friends did as well. And if you want, you could share what you have encountered too down below in the comments. I'd love to know. So let's explore this information, as well as I have some more information for you, as well, shall we say, some interesting proof how you can overcome these issues, so to speak, that might help you to do better. So what do you think they are? So let's explore, shall we? Let's carry on to the next segment. Okay, now let's get started. It's basically 3 main issues. I want to share this because it sort of got me thinking, what would be the 3 main issues? And the first one is the shiny object syndrome. People go from program to program to program, wanting to make some money, losing the money, spending and losing, and spending and losing. Why? Because they're not seeing what they should be seeing, staying in one spot, being consistent, working. They're just going from program to program because they see the shiny object. They see a program that might be doing money. Sometimes say, oh, you'll earn money within a day or two, when you know that's not the way it is. And so they go from program to program, losing money, because they're being unrealistic, not understanding what the true meaning is. When you do start a program, I usually stay put and start to earn. That, I think, is the first issue, being unrealistic, having the shiny object syndrome, right? And the second one, my lovely friends, the second one is basically, don't take it too seriously. Basically, you kind of figure it's like a hobby. You figure, oh, well, I spend a bit of money, no big deal, I have another job, no problem. And you don't think that it is a business. So you're not being really serious. So you take it as a hobby. So you invest in money, you think, no big deal, because it's like knitting, or it's like crocheting, or it's like glass blowing, whatever. It's just a hobby, no big deal. I have another job, no problem. It's just a side hustle. When you think about it, it actually is in business. You actually are investing in yourself, starting a new work at home job. You ever thought of that? Because some people don't think of it as a business, so they run into that issue. And the third one is as I encountered as well, you start asking for information outside of what you're doing, outside of working online. You're asking your family, your friends, you think it's a good idea? You want sort of, what's the word I'm trying to say? Recognition. What you're doing is a good thing. You want some information or some help. When you, they don't know what you're talking about. They don't know about online work. So why are you asking them? You're just going to run into issues because they say, well, they said I shouldn't do it, so maybe I shouldn't do it. You start humming and hawing because you have all these naysayers around you, especially your family and your friends. They're going to really question what you're doing, right? So you end up in a quandary. It's an issue in your life because, believe it or not, guys, I think this. If you start depending on other people outside the online work or outside your niche, you're going to question whether you should do it or not. I was thinking like that. And so I share with you now some information that happened to me. When I started online work, the first thing I thought was, wow, I'm gonna make a ton of money. I had that particular first one. I ran into issue because I would go from program to program, losing money, not really making any, because I kept thinking about the shiny object syndrome. And the second one was, well, you know, my husband's working, no big deal. If I lose a bit of money here, no problem. It's not a real job. And I wasn't thinking straight that it actually is a business. And the third one, I did keep asking my friends and family, wow, what do you think? Do you think it's a good idea? Wow, what do you think? And they would always say, are you crazy? Working online? You're bonkers. So these three main issues would pop up to me. So in the next segment, I'm going to share with you some wonderful parts of 4 months ago when it dawned on me where I've gone wrong and where I have to get started from square one, invest in a good program, start making some income, and be consistent. And I started. And it's with the Successful Solution Method, my lovely friends. I want to share that with you today. So I'm going to give you basically a share the funnel, what it's all about, as well as I'm very proud to be a part of it. And maybe I'm going to show you some proof of how it's working for many of our beautiful, beautiful, I'm going to share I want to share our Facebook group and all the beautiful income that we're starting to earn, as well as myself, I've earned as well. But I really want to share with you that I stopped thinking about the shiny object syndrome. I realized that I am in business for myself, and I stopped thinking about what other people were telling me. I stopped thinking it's my business, my thing, and I'm going to do it. And that's what you should be thinking about. Stop going from the shiny object syndrome. Treat it like a business, and don't ask for outside help. So I want to share with you. Come with me. I'm excited to share this with you right now. Let's get started, eh? Okay, I'm back. What do you think? One of my favorite places I'd like to go, and when things get better, I want to do some sunning and swimming. Okay, now I'm going to share with you, like I said before, I'm glad you're back and you stayed to the end. Stay to the end, guys. It's going to be some information as well as some good proof for you to share. Why I love the fact that I decided to make up my mind, stay put, know it's a business as well. Let's be steady, start to earn some income, and stop thinking about outside people and stay within my niche, which is the community I'm a part of now, created by Amanda Rye, Successful Solution Method. So let me give you a share. I want to share about the program itself. Let me see. Here we go, my lovely friends. Let's share the program. So this is Successful Solution Method. This is a funnel, but I really want to read some information and just go down through it very quickly to give you a quick skinny. I have other videos. If you check my library on my my YouTube channel, and I have more information talking about. But this is the funnel. Discover the untapped strategies that pay me up to $3,000 per month with as little as 60 minutes per day, which means you can 60 minutes a day. Treat it with a decent business and you're going to do well. Get paid 3 to 5 times weekly, beginner friendly, no experience needed. Start with the minute step-by-step instructions. And this is one of the videos you can start with. Basically, you can build a legitimate and scalable income. You can do it. No shiny object syndrome. You just work at it, be consistent, and you will earn. Mobile friendly, you can do it on your cell phone. And I work on my cell phone all the time and my tablet. You can get results within 60 minutes per day if you do the work. You are consistent and you do the work according to what is taught you in this program. You are going to earn. But if you're not going to do the work, you're thinking about the shiny object syndrome, how long does it take? You're not going to earn. And this is why I want to share that with you today, because this is a beautiful program. Yes, it does, without a doubt, work if you do the work and you're consistent. Okay? The biggest challenge people face in generating income online shares you some information about this, shares you, well, that's exactly what most of the incomes generate program with the program, basically shiny object syndrome. Basically, people don't understand results. They think it's business. They don't think it's a business. This income, this beautiful, successful solution method, discover simple income producing strategies that anyone can use to finally get results online. Basically, you're implementing income producing activities with the wonderful training you get. It's successful solution method. Basically working on your Facebook profile, and you will generate an income online. You will generate more of a full-time income. This is a business. You can generate income. No shiny object here. If you work it and you're consistent, no experience needed. You could be a newbie, make a profit quickly. Takes less than 60 minutes per day. It's up to you. Simple step-by-step instructions. And believe me, our Amanda Rai is an excellent teacher, and her trainings are immense. Generate multiple streams of income. Work from your desktop, laptop, or even your phone. It is true. I've been using my phone like forever. What exactly is a successful solution method? Let me quickly read it to you. One of the most valuable things you can give anyone is a shortcut. So she's basically it's after being able to generate full-time income for the last 2 years. That's Amanda Rai. She decided to take everything she knew and utilize that, producing results, and share it with a close group of committed entrepreneurs like myself. And she will cover every system, every strategy, every technique, every approach, every challenge. And it's simple. It does have success potential, and it's systematic. It's simple, successful systems, okay? And here's an example. You just basically sign up to your account, and you schedule your time, basically how many times a day you want to do it. You complete the daily tasks, which are very simple. It takes maybe 2 hours to do. Sounds simple, right? It is simple. It's a very simple task-based system with very wonderful ABC step-by-step instructions. It's amazing. And I really want to quickly share this funnel. Now here are the wonderful testimonials, which are amazing. And I want to go down to basically, and what you will receive, a closely guarded private income generating system. She's holding back nothing. And of course, she shares you 5 levels. Each level is according to what a marketer is at. Starts with the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum, as well as the diamond. And each program is immensely wonderful because it shows you exactly what you need to do to learn to become more successful online to help build your business. These are individual training modules. That's what you're buying, right? You're investing in yourself. But you're investing in you, okay? And I share with you, bronze is 100 plus 25 admin fee. Which is nice about this one is it's one-time payment only, and you're done, and you start investing in yourself. You're taking the time because you want to invest in a business. It's a business, not a hobby. It's a business. And so you're taking the time, and you're doing it for yourself because you know it's going to work. Silver is $325, gold is $500, platinum is $1,000, and diamond is $2,000. That's beautiful packages to each cater to each individual marketer's needs, from the newbie, from bronze, all the way up to, of course, the diamond. They're a beautiful package. And what does it mean? Basically, this is not a get rich quick. It's not a get rich quick, okay? Nor do we believe in overnight success. We believe in hard work, integrity, and developing your skills if you want to earn more financially. The thing is, you're making an investment in yourself to work at home business. You're learning the necessary skills to to get your business off the ground, to develop your business, to get it started. And if you're a seasoned marketer who's having so many problems, this is a program for you because you can start from square one. Now, I'm going to share with you our Facebook group. It's wonderful. It's a community of people, and we come together and we support each other and we engage with each other and share some of the income some of the people are earning. I'm going to stop this share. Alrighty, I just want to share that with you. Let's go to the next share, okay? I'm doing something different as I finish off this. Let's go back to this again. Sorry, guys. And let's go over here to successful solution method. Basically, approaching traffic in a way that works. Let's complete tasks and learn together. See, community, like-minded people to help you. Now, let's see if I can, see, this lady here just got her first $50. Okay, first $50 commission. Now, that is good start because she believed in herself. She did the task, and she started $50 from another person. Dr. Stan did another 50. Another person who won 50. Somebody's thankful. Somebody just, now here's somebody, Tara Skira, who's been in the program for a little while, for not bad for my 7 days. She has basically earned $1,500 in 7 days. This is excellent, right? Let's see, another person. Another person here, he just got $50. This hit 250 and 50. This is Kevin Nosworthy. He's one of our wonderful members. He just earned $300 in one day. And you can. I myself earned $550 the other day, and so I'll be getting paid for me. I have earned $3,800 plus. I'd say $4,400 within the past under 4 months on Successful Solution Method. That's how powerful this system is, because I started to believe in myself. 200 and 150 on Onika Moasa Blair. She just earned $350 in this system. Amazing, right? Because she did the work. She was consistent. She did the work. She believed in herself. She believed in the system. No more shiny objects in it. And she just got started, and she's becoming better at what she's doing. Excellent, right? So these is proof that the system does work. I want to share that with you today. I'm going to my page too, finishing it off on my page. $600 days. I will earn, some days I earn $600 in one day on Successful Solution Method, because I stopped thinking about the shiny object syndrome. I treat it as a business, not a hobby, and I stopped thinking about everybody else, and I'm a part of a beautiful community of Successful Solution Method, where we engage, we help one another with highly targeted traffic, and we do our daily income producing activities or tasks on a daily basis, and we are earning. So this is what I want to share with you today on this, my tips and strategy in online marketing today. I hope you enjoyed I hope it gave you some value. So give me a like and a comment if you're new to my channel. Give me a subscribe to my channel as well. Click the link of the bell below for the next notification of my next video. Plus, down below in my description, I have, shall we say, the link to that you just saw to Successful Solution Method. It's kind of a tongue twister there sometimes. Join our community. Be a part of it. Stop thinking about the shiny objects. Stop thinking what everybody else says. Treat it as a business and be part of this community and start to earn as you can start building your business online, especially if you're a newbie. As well, if you saw the Facebook group, I have the link to the Facebook group down below. Come join, meet some new people, start connecting, engaging, and be a part of it. Check it out as well. And if you want to know more information, I'm here for you as well. Get to know me. I have my Facebook page link down below, and I also have my cell phone number too. If you want to send me a message and ask for more information, I'm here for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, my lovely friends, and I really enjoyed sharing this with you today. So as I like to always say, see you on the other side to success, my lovely friends. I love you, my entrepreneurs. Let's get rocking this crazy world, this wonderful world of online marketing. Bye.